Good morning, guys. So here is the last part of the Breath of the Wild runes. We've got remote bombs now, so you take aim. We've got a spherical bomb. Throw that. Wait, right click again. Boom, detonate. We've also got cube bombs like that. Same deal, but these guys don't roll, obviously, just like in the game. You can throw these to send objects flying. So small ones get launched viciously, medium ones not so much, and then bigger ones get affected even less. The bombs will explode other explosive objects. So here's another group of bombs along the ground like that. They'll get sent flying, and you would have seen just over here, that was a breakable wall. These steel ones and the rusted ones are the same blueprint, but one of them is marked as bombable, and if you hit that with a bomb, oh, still got him. That breaks and you can go through. So that's the remote bombs from Breath of the Wild. That's the final part of all of these Breath of the Wild runes. We've got Cryonis, we've got Stasis, Magnesis, and now remote bombs. The last thing that I'm going to create is a little mechanism to switch between them all, because you can't switch between them right now. I have to adjust the blueprints, so after I cook that up, we're done, and then I'll crack into some tutorials, so get keen for that, guys. Oh, errors, great. I'll leave that there. Let me know if you enjoyed this, let me know if you're excited for the tutorials, and I will see you soon.